Now blue is not in her.
Hey ladies, welcome back. Today we have a wig by Outre. It is a lace front wig, and the name of the wig is Shorty. This is the box that it comes in. It says that the wig is heat safe up to 400 degrees. The color that I have it in is S, which stands for Street 1B30. She has two combs on the side. Looks like they're right on the temple. She has a comb in the back with the regular adjustable straps. Inside of the cap is your normal cap where it just has the stretchy and you see the tracks in between. Looks like the lace is kind of a soft lace. It's not a hard lace, so it's pretty soft. I don't think you get you don't get a parting area in here just per se. And the back of it looks like the middle is a skin top almost. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's probably a skin top in the middle there. Okay, as you can see, this is the wig on and she is super cute. The cap construction felt a little bit snug, so I did go in and kind of adjust that a little bit. Otherwise, I'm just going to take my brush and comb and my fingers and I'm going to go through and I'm just going to put her into a quick little style, make her fun and flirty. I think this wig is super duper cute. It's a easy wig to wear. You don't have to do much to it. So I'll come back to you at the end and give you my final thoughts on Miss Shorty. Okay, this is the final look for Miss Shorty, and I tried to situate her like they have it on the model, but as you can probably see, it's a little bit different. On the model, it seems that this curl is a little bit longer and can do that, but in actuality, it's kind of not. It almost looks like just a really cute bob. So let me give you ladies a 360 real quick. This is the front of it. And what I did to cover up where that skin top was, I just raked this side forward. The hair moves very easily, so it's easy to kind of just do it with my fingers. So this is the front. I love the bang. And as you see, I didn't even cut off the lace because I don't know why you would need lace. I guess if you wanted to do a lifting something like this off of your forehead, then you could cut the lace off. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. So this is the front. Here is the right side. This is the back side. I think this is cute. It doesn't sit on your neck. For those who don't like long hair or like anything on your neck, it's cute. And it's already kind of cut, so you don't have to cut it, which is nice. And then you have this side. So all in all, I think it's a cute unit. I think it's really cute. The only con for some people may be it doesn't have a parting area. And then this middle section here, some people don't like skin tops, but I mean, you can't really see it. Once you rake it, it just looks like you got your hair curled all over. So to me, it's an easy fix. So it's not a con for me, but I mention it because it may be a con for other people. Another con may be the hair texture. The hair texture is very, very soft. Some people may not like that. I think it's okay because they've already cut it. As you can see, you don't have to cut anything. And I like how they blended the color. So the pros to me is the hair texture. It's kind of silky, but because it's short, I think it's okay. Another thing is I like the color. I like how it streaked it through. So if you're someone that don't like bright colors, but you just want to try a little bit of color, then this will be good because you can just see it like peeking through just a teeny bit all the way around. So that's nice. And the other thing is, like I said, the cut's really nice on it. To me, although it doesn't look like this where you have one side longer than the other, you do have the cut where it looks like a bob. So I think for that it's really cute. Really cute. So no shedding, of course, with this. Everything comes cut. I didn't have to cut anything. I didn't have to do anything to this. So this is just really a quick, easy, everyday wig to wear. Thank you ladies so much for watching the video today. If you have not, please subscribe to the channel. And if you like, hit the bell next to it and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media, don't forget to tag me in it. As you know by now, my name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.